Okay, welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to do a new project using only acrylic paint and silicone oil. And I'm hoping that the silicone oil is a different option and we'll see what kind of results we get. I did sell a couple of these small art projects, so I needed to replace some of them in my store. And I thought this would be a good time to try one out. I'm going to do 2 cups of each. Again, we're using Super Clear, one of my favorites. Now I like to start off with a base layer of clear. Mix for about 2 minutes. Keep your room temperature 71. Now we're going to go right into our color. First color I'm going to do is the canary yellow. Next up I'm going to do the green. Same amount, we're doing 2 cups at a time. Okay, next up is the green, spring green. Okay, one more. This time I'm not going to mix as much. I'm going to do 6 ounces because we're pretty full already. Okay, last color. Okay, next up we're going to drip our silicone oil into the project. Got a few leaks. Here's a time lapse from my GoPro from start to finish. Pouring all the different colors. There's the clear, the yellow, the red, the green. Here comes the blue. Next up, I get the blow dryer out and mix all my colors. This time I kind of did with the blow, and there I drip in the silicone oil, and then this is a time lapse, 20 times speed of the cells growing. It's pretty interesting. I could almost speed it up a little more. They do keep growing though, and you don't realize it. This right here is 20 times speed. And you can see it's still changing. And here it is, fully cured 24 hours later. And what I've learned is by using acrylic paint, you get bigger cells, and it's some chemical reaction. So this one, obviously this one you saw, I used silicone oil, but you can see it has a lot of depth. And the size of them is really big. And so I think that what I've learned is that if you're trying to do some kind of jellyfish type thing where you're creating these really large cells, I think acrylic paint works better than mica powder. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments what you think. But I've done 4 of them with acrylic paint. 3 of them using 3-in-1 oil, and then 1 using silicone oil. And all of the ones that I used acrylic paint, the cells came out bigger. And the colors that are coming out from inside these cells is really amazing. So building up the epoxy really helps. I mean, you can really see, this one actually turned out really nice. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. All of these art projects that you see are actually available on our store. These ones right here, they're about 12 by 36 approximately, and they also have a T-slot on the back for hanging them. But yeah, they're all in the store, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. Our store is located at outlawwoodworking.bigcartel.com, and yeah, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Later.